gonna do fun sport. Are you ready for 4 cool movements? Let's start with jumping jacks. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Great jumping, everyone. Now stretch like stars. Arms wide and reach high. We saw stars in the sky, reaching way up high. Woo! Great jumping, everyone. Come on, guys. Move, move. Now run in place like you're chasing a butterfly. Yee! I see a butterfly. Faster! Friends, now bounce our soft balls. Great job, everyone. We moved, stretched, ran, and played. Woo! Great jumping, everyone. Friends, see you next time. Goodbye. Sheep.